Hi, everybody. We're going to be doing 8,003 divided by 7. So just click and type if you're using the slideshow, or just grab a piece of paper and follow along, putting in our dividend here and our divisor on the outside. Dividend at the top of the triangle, that's the number getting divided up, and our divisor down at the bottom. And at the end, we'll know our quotient. At the end, you can check your work by doing divisor times quotient plus remainder, and it should equal 8,003. We're dividing by 7, which means we're dividing into 7 groups or making groups of 7. So we'll be asking often how many 7s can fit in to that. So I recommend typing out your multiples of 7. And as always, I suggest go ahead, try a couple steps yourself and see if you can do it on your own, and then just use the video to help check in. So first we're going to divide 8 divided by 7. And the answer to that is 1. Multiply back down. 1 times 7 is 7. Our next step is to subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. And our last step is to bring down. Now we start over again. So we're going to divide. Think to yourself, what is it that we're going to divide? 10 divided by 7. So how many times can you skip count your 7s until you go over? Well, we went over like right away. So just 1 7. If you had 10 cookies and they said how many groups of 7 can you make? 1. 1 group of 7. Multiply back down. 1 times 7 is 7. Next step is to subtract. Next step, bring down. Try the next couple steps on your own. You're going to divide 30 divided by 7. So look at your multiples. How close can you get to 30 without going over? This is the closest you can get, 28. But how many 7s was that? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 30 divided by 7 is 4. Multiply it back down. 4 times 7 is 28. That's that number we were just looking at. Next, you're going to subtract. Bring down the 3. And we have our last steps here. How many times can 7 fit into 23? 1, 2, 3 times. Then multiply 3 times 7. It's 21. Finally, you'll subtract to get your remainder, which is 2. In other words, if you had 8,003 cookies and you put them into 7 groups, you'd be able to divide them up, but then you'd have 2 left over that don't fit into the groups. To check your work, 7 times 1,143 plus 2 is 8,003. So 7 times 1,143 is 8,001. To